Oh, what is this box, bro? What is this box? What is this? What is this box? If you guys like and subscribe, that box is gonna open in 1, 2, 3. What the flip? Who is that, huh?
Hello, I'm Verity, your personal helper.
Oh! Verity, where are you, Verity?
Hello, I'm Verity, your personal helper. Can do anything. I know everything.
Okay, Verity. I'm gonna tell you what what mm, what is 667.
What is plus? What is 6 plus 7?
No, what is 67?
A joke. It's about because why is it scared of 7? Because 7, 8, 9.
Okay.
And 6 plus 7 is 6, 7. But if you don't like 6, 7, it's 30.
Okay.
Pick me up.
This is our house, Betty. This is our house.
A good house.
It's not a good house. Okay. MJ is sleeping.
Skibidi, dap, 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 yes, yes.
What is that noise, huh? I hear a skibidi dop dop dop. Betty, is that you?
No.
Okay.
Pick me up.
Okay, Betty. No. Hey, bro. Oh, my Verity design. Wow.
No, I am not your design.
Oh, what is that noise?
Something is coming to touch you in 3 days.
Shut the. Who is coming, bro? Who is coming? Who is gonna touch me? That was too fast. Told him that I was gonna touch him. Something bad? Huh?
Yes.
Oh, what touch? That is not a soft. Huh? Pick you up. Okay. Tell. Pretty.
What?
What is your favorite food?
Flesh.
Flesh?
Human flesh.
What the? Hindi. But you can eat donut.
Yes. McDonald's.
Okay. Just stay here. I gonna buy donut.
No, you don't need to because I have burger.
Oh, okay. Okay. Wait. I'm gonna cook. I'm gonna cook my lunch. A few moments later. Okay, my lunch is cooking already. That I'm gonna eat now. That I was so Verity, this is our food. Verity.
I can't grab.
Cut, cut. Okay, Verity, this is your food.
I can't grab.
Just, just eat your burger, na.
That's so good.
That was you. Because you are too tiny. Because you can't get that. A few eating later. Cut, cut. A few moments later. We are done eating, Verity.
Yeah, grab.
Okay. Wait, where is Verity? Wait, where is Verity?
Help me. I'm in the water.
A few moments later. Verity! Verity, where are you
Here.
from? Oh, here? Okay, okay.
Ask me questions now.
Then Verity, how we gonna get into the island?
No, I will summon
If
my
Verity, you know everything if you have power.
here. I will summon my piranha.
No,
Let's
summon me to be,
I'm going to summon.
summon me, bro, summon me.
No, I summoned my
Yes,
shark.
yes.
No.
Thank you, you summon my shark.
Okay, I will just follow you in the water. Now I
Okay.
can swim.
Wait. Meow. Where is the island? Huh?
Look there.
Oh, there. Ah, Rico. Animaji. Mm. Animaji.
Kevina.
Already own town. Let's make a new house. Fine. Let's make a new house. Ah, shit. How to do? No.
You need robot.
We need Verity. Because
Yung
look.
totoong bahay.
Hindi, maglaba ka muna.
They can't. Ay, wag.
Why? Why?
Maglaba ka na lang, tapos bukas na lang pupunta.
Let's home to 7.
Go to vacant 15.
Vacant.
No. Wrong.
Yung motor mo nasa labas nakita ko.
15.
Hello,
We are
friend.
at.
Wow.
Oh, mawawala na yan. Ha?
Animaji.
Kunin mo na yung soldo mo.
Emoji. Emoji.
Ilan lang kami pinasahod, bilang ilang.
A few next day. Okay.
Something is coming to touch you in 2 days now.
Okay. But wait, what did you say? I'm just eating here, huh?
Now coming to touch you in 2 days now.
Shut the fuck up.
Don't leave me.
Okay, I'm not gonna leave you.
Tapos sasabihin mo pa. Ano na yan? Bukas mo lang.
Bye bye. Verity.
Ganun.
MJ is not drowning. MJ is not drowning.
Ito, nakapal sa bahay. Ngayon pa lang ginagawa ko. Ay, ganito lang.
Okay, Verity, I'm here now. Oh, my fries. Oh, what happened to you? What happened to you? What happened to you, bro? Where are you?
You leave me!
I'm gonna leave you again.
Eating your fries.
Aga naman, uy.
No,
naman
don't eat it my fries.
I'm coming to touch you in real life.
Wala pa si Nicole mo. Ano ka, iwanan ko si Nicole mag-isa. Lagi nang walang kasama ko dito.
No.
Galing school.
Oh, Mama. Where are you?
Ha?
Where are me? Bro. Where are me?
We are same house, boy.
Iwanan mo na
We are
ngayon
at
doon.
the same
Sa
house.
kanila.
This is our boy.
Nabawat na din yung mga kukuha na kasi
Who did you teleport me here, huh? No.
yan totoo.
What? That was so sad, huh?
Papasok araw-araw eh. Ganyan.
Tapos magiging... Tap, tap, tap. One day. Oh, a bad dreams, huh? Let's look for Verity. Verity? Where are you, Verity? Puita, Papa, yeah, and two Papi. Bro, I know you in video, you can see him. But you can see him in Roblox. No. No. Why? Bad dreams. Bad in real life. Just print. Nico, just print. Print. Just print. Animaji. Where are you, Verity? Verity! Where are you, bro? Oh, mama. Animaji. 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 Oh, bro, where are you going? Animaji. Animaji. Animoji. Animaji. Animaji. Let's play hide and seek, Kayu. Oh, not Kayu. Verity. Cut. Let's play Verity. Let's play hide and seek. Mecha chameleon time in real life. Find me if you can. I think this is a secret. No. Animaji. Wait, I hear that music, huh? What is that noise, huh? What is that noise? If you hear Verity. Okay, I make my flashlight, not flashlight. This is too big flashlight. And I have bullet. And I have oh no, shit. Animaji.
Mga to ay magsasagot.
Energy mochi. Energy mochi. Energy. Ito. Nandito ako sa na place.
Bawal yung ano.
Energy mochi.
Record.
Bro, I'm already recording, bro. Stop. Okay. I think that it is not gonna find you.
Jessa! Nandiyan ba si Papa?
Jessa.
Ay, kita mo ba si Papa?
Si, si, si Lolo. Lolo. Oh, mama. Anime Chiwochi. Anime Chiwochi. Emochi. Anime Chiwochi. Anime Chiwochi. This is my flashlight. That is no, mama. To.
Art.
Anime Chiwochi.
Art.
Anime Chiwochi. Anime. Wow. This is all guys. Bye.